Welcome. In front of me is a hammer blade, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. And to begin, we're gonna need some kind of pin or SIM eject tool. Like I have one right here, this little thing. Usually they come with the phone, so you will need something like this. If you can't find it or you don't have it, you can always use a paper clip. It will work just as well. And what you wanna do is on the side, select the device. On the side right here, you have the kind of like a flap that you need to pull out, and you try to get it in the light so it's better visible. But basically you have a tiny little hole right in the corner, basically where the flap is. And so what you want to do is take that eject tool and press it into that hole, and you will see that the metal tray right here just kind of comes out. So we'll do that once more, so maybe you can get a better look. Trying to position my hand so it's actually visible. Just a moment. It's barely visible, I guess, but could probably see it kind of pop out. So once that kind of comes out, you want to then use a nail or whatever to get the tray out, as you can see right now. So once you have the tray, you can take either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card, and with 2 SIMs it will go something like this, with the cutout on the bottom right corner for both of the SIMs. Just make sure that they're laying flush and not protruding anywhere. So like so, you can see. And if you want to put a SD card, like I have one right here, just take this out and we'll go like this. You gotta make sure it's laying flush. So as you can see, it will go like this. And then what you want to do is just slide it back into the device, so you can get this. So I'm holding the device like so. Just slide it back in and make sure it goes all the way. So if you can't get it with your nail all the way, just take the paper clip or the tool that you have and just push it all the way. You will feel a click. So then just close it back up, and as you can see, the SIM card requires a pin, so I'm just gonna put that in. And as you can see, both of the things are working because the SIM required a pin and SD card is asking me to change the default writing disk. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine. So that would be how you would insert a SIM and SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.